In this video, we will walk you through the registration process at Vikramshila. This registration process is for researchers, professors, assistant professors, deans, directors, and professionals who wish to become peer reviewers and publishing editors. The same registration can be used to publish your own article on the soon-to-be-launched portal called Aakashganga, India's own series of mega journals. On the home page, click on any one of the following three buttons. Get started now, join the mission, step into greatness now. You will see the first of the three registration screens. In this screen, we want to know the title you would like to be addressed with, your full name, your mobile number, and your primary email address. You need to generate your own password following these rules. At least 8 characters long, at least one alphabet in capitals, some numbers, and at least one special character such as an exclamation mark, $sign, and asterisk. Please click on the little green box to confirm you have read our terms of use and privacy policy, then click on the continue button. You will be prompted to enter 2 OTPs. The first OTP is to verify your mobile number. Please check your mobile phone whose number you entered on page 1. You will receive an OTP from VKSHILA. Then enter this 5-digit number and press continue. The second OTP will be sent to the email address you entered. Please check the inbox or spam folder associated with the email address you have entered. Again, enter the 5-digit OTP you have received. You should see a congratulations message pop up. Please press step into greatness to complete your profile. A new screen will pop up. Here you will see that your title, name, email address and mobile number are already entered. Please upload a profile picture or allow your computer's camera to take a photo. This is a mandatory requirement since we want to be sure of your identity. Please also check the box identifying your gender. This information is not shared with anyone. Click on the button Continue. This is the last screen of the registration process which now pops up. All fields are mandatory. When you check any box in the primary affiliation section, you will see a few more fields appear. This information is important for the platform to match your qualification and skills with the right type of article to peer review. Please help us by providing the correct information. You can add up to 3 affiliations. A critical field in this section is the URL of the university, company or hospital that you state you are associated with. Click Verify once you have entered the link. To assist you, we have provided drop-down menus to choose from to help fill the rest of the fields. The next section is about your educational credentials. The last section is about the subject of interest and any specialization that you wish to draw our attention to. This is an optional field, but we encourage you to fill this to widen the subject areas you can peer review in. You can review your profile by pressing the Preview Profile button. If you wish to complete the profile at another date, you need to hit the Save button. If you are all done, please hit the Publish Profile button. You will receive a confirmation via email. Thank you for viewing this video.